Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where today we're taking a close look at the BISSELL 246130 Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Plus Lightweight Vacuum. This model promises powerful pet hair pickup, a tangle-free brush roll, and several specialized features designed for homes with furry friends. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dig into the details and find out. At first glance, the BISSELL 246113 Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Plus is a well-designed, lightweight vacuum that combines performance with convenience. The most notable feature is its powerful pet hair pickup, making it a standout choice for pet owners. With its 7-amp power rating, this vacuum is designed to handle stubborn pet hair without losing suction. The Tangle-Free brush roll is another major selling point, effectively preventing hair wrap, which is often a pain point for pet owners. But how does it really perform when put to the test? When it comes to floor types, the BISSELL 24613 handles both carpets and hard floors with ease. On carpets, it picks up embedded pet hair without much effort, and on hard floors, it's just as efficient, leaving no debris behind. The transition between different surfaces is seamless, which means you don't have to worry about switching modes or making manual adjustments. This vacuum excels when it comes to suction power, maintaining strong performance even when dealing with large amounts of pet hair or fine dust. The SmartSeal Allergen System is another feature that sets this vacuum apart. It traps dust and allergens, making it an ideal choice for allergy sufferers. What's more, the optional Febreze filter adds an extra layer of freshness to your home as you clean. This system is especially beneficial for households with pets, as it helps combat odors and dust, which often accumulate in homes with animals. Now let's talk about one of the most practical features, the Cyclonic pet hair spooling system. BISSELL has thought of everything here by designing a system that allows you to empty the dirt tank without having to touch any of the mess. This hands-free system is a huge relief, especially when dealing with pet hair, and makes cleanup more hygienic and less unpleasant. In terms of weight and maneuverability, the BISSELL 24613 shines. Weighing in at just under 14 pounds, it's easy to move around your home, even when navigating stairs or tight spaces. The swivel steering further enhances its agility, allowing for smooth turns and quick transitions between rooms. It's a vacuum that doesn't tire you out after extended use, which is a major bonus for those with larger homes or multiple levels to clean. As for attachments, the BISSELL 24613 includes a few key tools to make cleaning even more efficient. The Pet Turbo Eraser tool is great for tackling stairs and upholstery, while the Crevice tool helps with hard-to-reach areas. These attachments make a real difference when cleaning cars or delicate surfaces, and they're easy to switch between as needed. When testing it on long hair, the Tangle-Free brush roll performs as advertised. It doesn't get clogged or tangled, which is a huge relief for anyone who's had to deal with the frustration of cleaning tangled hair from traditional brush rolls. Additionally, the suction power is consistent, even after prolonged use, and there's no noticeable loss of performance in high power mode. There are a few cons to consider though. While the vacuum is relatively quiet compared to other models in this price range, it's not completely silent. The noise level could be a deal breaker for those with noise sensitivities or for those who want a completely quiet experience. The dustbin, though easy to empty, could be larger for homes with multiple pets, as you might find yourself needing to empty it more frequently during extended cleaning sessions. When assessing the BISSELL 24613's value for money, it's clear that it offers solid performance, especially for pet owners. The vacuum handles pet hair exceptionally well, and the additional features like the SmartSeal Allergen System and Tangle-Free brush roll set it apart from other vacuums in the same price range. However, if you don't have pets or don't need the specialized tools and features, you might find similar performance in more budget-friendly models. Still, for those with pets, the BISSELL 24613 offers excellent value for the price, especially considering its strong cleaning capabilities, allergen-fighting features, and ease of use. In comparison to other vacuums in the market, it holds its own against similarly priced models like the Shark Rotator Pet Pro, which offers comparable suction power but lacks the SmartSeal system. The Dyson Ball Animal 2 is a stronger contender with more suction power, but it comes at a higher price point and lacks some of the BISSELL's specialized pet features. For pet owners looking for solid performance without breaking the bank, the BISSELL 24/4-6130 is a fantastic choice. The build quality of the BISSELL 24/630 is solid, with durable plastics and sturdy joints. The handle feels comfortable, and the vacuum feels robust without being too heavy. It's easy to maintain with accessible parts for cleaning and emptying the bin. The brush roll is designed for easy removal, and the filters are straightforward to replace when needed. This design ensures that the vacuum should last for years, given proper care. Customer support from BISSELL has generally received positive reviews, with prompt responses and helpful solutions. While we didn't need to contact them directly, the brand's reputation for handling issues with care and offering solid warranties provides peace of mind for any potential buyers. In conclusion, the BISSELL 24/613 Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Plus Lightweight Vacuum is an excellent option for pet owners who need a reliable vacuum that handles pet hair without fuss. Its powerful suction, specialized pet tools, and allergen trapping features make it a standout choice in its price range. While it's not perfect, particularly in terms of noise and bin capacity, it offers great value for those with pets and homes that require regular deep cleaning. If you're looking for a vacuum that makes pet hair pickup a breeze and ensures your home stays fresh and allergen-free, the BISSELL 24/613 is a solid investment. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in purchasing the BISSELL 24/613, check the comments box for the link. And if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this vacuum, feel free to leave a comment below. Goodbye till next time. And remember, when it comes to cleaning, we've always got the inside scoop here at Reviewsinside TV.